In today's video, we will discuss what is hedging, how to do hedging, and why hedging. So if you want to know about this topic, watch the video till the end. I will be with you throughout today's video, and I am an official member of ForexBD. I am starting today's episode with a request to watch the video till the end. Hedging is basically trading both sides of the same pair at the same time. Hedging is done to stabilize the account when a position is bound to lose. Hedging is basically done when a position is very badly stuck. First of all, it is a very risky trading system. The success rate here is very low. There are a lot of risk and there will be a lot of pressure on you. So it is better not to do hedging as your balance will be more secure. But in many cases we have to hedge to save our balance. You can do it. But it is better to keep your eye on it, so that it does not happen. Let me explain the situation. Suppose you have traded but intentionally or unintentionally you have not set up SL. Now the market does not go in your favor all the time. Once suddenly it went against you, and it was seen that there is no SL in it. If there is the SL, the account will be saved even if the entry goes against you. But if you don't set up SL and the entry goes against you, then your equity will slowly decrease. You may have $1,000 in your account, but the equity will decrease to $800, $400, and $300. Then the pressure on your account will increase. In a $1,000 account, you may have entered with 10 cents or 15 cents, and since you didn't set up SL, when it happens you are losing most of your amount, showing only a few dollars in equity. Now if the market is running for a while in such a big lot, your account will be completely zero. Hedging is necessary to avoid that zero. But I warn you again that you will never work like this without SL. Hedging is a very risky and stressful activity. When you have a large amount of loss in your account, you will be under a lot of pressure, and any trader will be under pressure. And at that moment, it is very difficult to make profit by hedging or to keep the account safe. So we will tell you again and again, don't forget to set up SL and TP. However, when you don't have SL like that, an entry that has gone too far against you and put pressure on your account, how to handle them? For that, you have to take an entry in the opposite direction, and that is called hedging. Suppose your equity is showing $200, and you did not set up SL, and after some time, the account will be zero. So if you took the previous entry that was running at 10 cents, then take an entry at 5 cents against it. Remember two things. Firstly, take an entry in half lot compared to previous entry and take opposite entry. Means if previous entry is in buy position, then you will take an entry in sell position. What will it do? By doing this, your loss will be somewhat recovered. If the market keeps its previous trend without backing, then your loss will increase in the first entry, but you will have some profit in the second entry through which the loss of the previous entry will be recovered and your balance will not be zero. It is very difficult to keep yourself calm in this moment. You will see your money getting lost in this way. Then it is important to keep calm and handle everything properly because then you will be concerned. Since there will be two entries on two sides, you will think for a while to close the first entry, and then think for a while to close the second entry. So confused. So it is best to work with SL so that you don't have to see such time. But if the market comes back, then the loss on the first entry will decrease and you will also wait. If by luck the market comes back up to your first entry, then you won't have any loss on the first entry, but only some loss on the second entry. Don't worry because this saves your balance from going to zero. Our main reason for taking the second entry was to save the account. And if the market does not come to the first entry, then your loss will be a little higher. There is nothing you can do about it because you have already done wrong. This is hedging. This is very risky.
We will make a request to you wherever you create an account broker house or payment gateway. you must use the ForexBD's link. This will keep your account safe at all times. You will be able to participate in any type of contest. You will have the opportunity to trade in 0 pips spread. So be sure to account under the link given below. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button because your likes and comments give us confidence to do something better. And if you have any suggestions, you can leave a comment so that ForexBD can meet your needs all the time.